Welcome back. The Naturie Hatomugi Skin Conditioner Toner is a cult favorite in Japan, known for its deep hydration, soothing properties, and prepping capabilities for serums and moisturizers. Rich in vitamin B and amino acids, this toner promises to boost hydration and achieve soft, mochi-like skin. Its main ingredient, Hatomugi, is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps calm redness and acne. Benefits: fully penetrates the skin with a refreshing feel. Non-sticky yet deeply penetrating lotion. Contains natural beetle extract for smooth, non-rough skin. Large 500 ml size, suitable for daily use. Simple formulation without unnecessary ingredients, making it low irritation and safe for sensitive skin. Can be used generously for both facial and body hydration. Effective as a pre-makeup water to enhance the effect of subsequent skincare products. How to use: use plenty at the beginning of your skincare routine to hydrate the skin. Apply generously until the skin feels cool and hydrated. Use as a lotion pack with cotton or a face mask for added hydration. Ideal for body care after bathing or sun exposure. Promotes better absorption of serums and milky lotions when used before makeup. Final thoughts. After using the Naturie Hatomugi Skin Conditioner Toner for 2 weeks, I haven't noticed any significant difference in my skin. While the price is reasonable for the large amount provided, the results don't justify the purchase. The texture is extremely watery, which makes it difficult to use like a traditional toner. To address the runny consistency, I transferred the product into a spray bottle. This method proved to be the most effective way to apply the toner without making a mess. Despite its promising ingredients and benefits, the thin and runny consistency diminishes its practicality as a normal toner.